Hello car owners, welcome back to our channel. You know what breaks my heart more than anything? Seeing perfectly good engines fail prematurely because of habits that could have been avoided. Today, I'm going to share 5 driving habits that are absolute engine killers. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please press that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. Constant low RPM driving. Listen up folks, this one's huge and it's a bit misunderstood. Now driving at lower RPMs does have its benefits. It can help with fuel economy and reduce engine wear, especially on highway cruising. But here's the catch. Doing it constantly is where people go wrong. Here's why. Your engine needs proper oil circulation, and running consistently at low RPMs, like below 1,500 revolutions per minute, especially in modern cars, causes something we call glazing. Basically, your cylinder walls get polished incorrectly, leading to poor oil retention. Plus, carbon buildup becomes a serious issue, especially on direct injection engines, and can prematurely damage your engine. Number 2, excessive engine braking. If you don't know what this is, in short, engine braking is when you release the accelerator or downshift to a lower gear, allowing the engine's compression to slow the vehicle instead of using the brakes. This method reduces wear on brake components and helps control speed, especially on downhill slopes. Now don't get me wrong, some engine braking is fine, but excessive engine braking can lead to serious mechanical issues. This habit puts tremendous stress on your transmission components and engine mounts. Over time, you're looking at worn synchronizers, stressed mount bushings, and potential transmission damage. We're talking about repairs that can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $4,000 or more. Here's the deal, your brake pads are way cheaper to replace than engine or transmission repairs. Use them. That's what they're there for. Number 3, running on low fuel. This one drives me absolutely nuts. You wouldn't believe how many people treat their fuel gauge like a suggestion rather than a warning. Running your car constantly on low fuel is like running a marathon without drinking water. It's just asking for trouble. Your fuel pump relies on the fuel in your tank for cooling and lubrication. When you're always running on empty, you're forcing it to suck up all the crud and sediment at the bottom of your tank. This can lead to premature fuel pump failure, clogged fuel filters, and injector problems. A fuel pump replacement alone can set you back $100 to $300, not counting labor costs and potential damage to other components. And let's be honest. All this could be avoided by just keeping your tank reasonably full. Number 4, switching from reverse to drive rush. You know that person at the grocery store who shifts from reverse to drive while their car is still rolling? Yeah, don't be that guy. Your transmission wasn't designed to be your brake pedal. I see this all the time. People treating their transmission like it's indestructible. Let me tell you something. A new transmission costs anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 excluding labor. Just take that extra half second to come to a complete stop, your car will thank you and so will your wallet. Number 5. High gear acceleration. This one's becoming more common with all these modern transmissions having 8 or 9 gears. People try to accelerate hard while in too high a gear, thinking their car will figure it out. Spoiler alert, it doesn't end well. When you need to accelerate, especially when merging onto highways, don't be afraid to let your engine rev a bit. Lugging your engine in high gear puts massive strain on your connecting rods and bearings. Trust me, I've rebuilt enough engines to know exactly what that looks like on the inside. Drive safe. Thanks for watching.